What's trending now? We're diving deep into the hottest news that's breaking the internet. First up, the 2025 Bowman Chrome Team Preview is dropping, and the buzz is huge. We've got the inside scoop on which teams are set to dominate and which ones might just surprise us. Get ready for some serious prospect analysis. Then, buckle up because Google Chrome just dropped a bombshell. A critical type confusion zero-day vulnerability, CVE 2025-10585, is being actively exploited in the wild. We'll break down exactly how this exploit works and what it means for your security. And that's not all. We're also looking at a code analysis of this very vulnerability, revealing the technical details that make it so dangerous. Plus, catch our weekly recap for more critical security updates, including AI hacking tools and NPM worms. You do not want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get into it. The 2025 Bowman Chrome Team Preview is here, and the excitement is palpable. This isn't just another product release. Bowman Chrome is known for its high-stakes gambles on emerging talent, and this year promises to be no different, packed with recent international free agents. We're breaking down the entire product, team by team, to give you the ultimate resource for team breaks and prospect deep dives. From the D-backs' intriguing prospect Elian de la Cruz with his corner of power potential, to the Orioles' promising outfielders Nate George and Jordan Sanchez, and the Red Sox's own Roman Anthony, we're dissecting who's who. But it's not just about the prospects. We're also looking at the rookies and veterans. Keep an eye out for Nick Kurtz's potential Red rookie redemption, the electrifying presence of Shohei Ohtani, and even a rare appearance from shoeless Joe Jackson in a Philadelphia Athletics uniform. This is your essential guide to navigating the landscape of 2025 Bowman Chrome, highlighting the key players, the chase cards, and the stories that will define this release. Fans are already buzzing about the potential breakout stars and the high-value chase cards, with discussions heating up across collector forums and social media about who will be the next big name to emerge from this set. The inclusion of unique historical figures like shoeless Joe Jackson is also generating significant buzz, adding an unexpected layer of intrigue. Don't go anywhere, because the real drama in the tech world is just about to unfold. Next, we're diving into a critical zero-day vulnerability that's rocking Google Chrome. A major security alert has been issued for Google Chrome users worldwide. A critical type confusion zero-day vulnerability, now identified as CVE 2025-10585, has been discovered and is already being actively exploited. This is the sixth actively exploited Chrome zero-day of 2025, signaling a dangerous trend in the cybersecurity landscape. With a high severity score of 8.8, this flaw allows for remote code execution by exploiting memory corruption techniques that can bypass Chrome's robust sandbox protections. The vulnerability specifically targets the V8 JavaScript engine, manipulating its turbofan compiler through a sophisticated type confusion attack. Security researchers have confirmed that threat actors are actively using this exploit for malicious purposes, including compromising cryptocurrency wallets and conducting espionage operations. They are leveraging the flaw to execute arbitrary shellcode and escape the browser's renderer process sandbox, making it a significant threat to user data and financial assets. The technical exploitation chain involves tricking V8's type inference system using specially crafted proxy objects, leading to memory corruption. This vulnerability affects all Chrome versions prior to 140073391885 across Windows, macOS, and Linux, as well as other Chromium-based browsers. Google has already released emergency patches, and automatic updates are being deployed, but users are urged to update immediately. Cybersecurity experts are emphasizing the urgency of patching, with reports detailing how threat actors are chaining this vulnerability with privilege escalation, exploits to install persistent malware, and steal sensitive information. The widespread impact is a major concern, as a simple visit to a compromised website can trigger the flaw. But how exactly does this exploit work on a technical level? We're about to get a deep dive into the code analysis of this critical vulnerability. Delving deeper into the recent Google Chrome zero-day, CVE 2025-10585, security researchers have released a detailed code analysis, revealing the intricate mechanics behind this critical vulnerability. At its core, the flaw lies within the turbofan compiler component of Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, where a type confusion error in the inline cache mechanism allows attackers to corrupt memory. This manipulation is achieved by crafting a malicious JavaScript proxy object that, when queried for properties, returns an unexpected data type, an array instead of a primitive number. During its optimization process, especially within loops, the engine makes critical assumptions about data types. By feeding it unexpected values, attackers can trick the compiler into generating incorrect memory access patterns, leading to heap overflows or use-after-free conditions. This grants attackers the ability to read and write arbitrary memory locations. The vulnerability has a CVSS v31 score of 8.8, highlighting its high impact and remote attack vector. It affects Chrome versions prior to 1400-7339185 on major operating systems and other Chromium-based browsers. While Google has issued an immediate patch with Chrome version 1400-7339185, the analysis underscores the sophistication of modern browser exploits and the constant battle between performance optimization and security. This detailed analysis is crucial for understanding the attack vectors and reinforces the need for immediate updates, as exploits are already in the wild, reportedly used by state-sponsored actors and commercial spyware operators for data theft and espionage. And that's just one piece of the security puzzle this week. We've got more critical updates in our rapid-fire weekly recap, so stick around. The security world never sleeps, and this week is no exception. Our weekly recap brings you the most critical updates shaping the threat landscape. Leading the pack is the actively exploited Chrome zero-day, CVE 2025-10585, a type confusion issue in the V8 engine that Google has rushed to patch. This marks the sixth zero-day for Chrome this year, a stark reminder of the relentless pace of cyber threats. But that's not all. We're also seeing the rise of AI-powered hacking tools, opening up new avenues for sophisticated attacks. Plus, stay vigilant for those sneaky DDR5 bit flips that can lead to data corruption, and beware of the NPM worm that's been targeting the developer community. This constant churn means attackers are adapting by the hour, blending new techniques with old vulnerabilities. We'll break down what this means for defenders and how to stay ahead of the curve, ensuring your systems are protected against the latest threats. Make sure you're patched, aware, and ready to defend. This constant evolution of threats means that staying informed is your greatest weapon. We're diving into the trends that drive this rapid change, from how threat actors reuse tactics to how emerging technologies widen the attack surface. That's all for our rapid-fire news today. But before you go, let's hit you with a quick recap and a massive call to action. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. We covered the massive 2025 Bowman Chrome Team Preview, the critical Chrome zero-day vulnerability CVE 2025-10585, and its detailed code analysis, plus our essential weekly security recap. Don't miss out on any of the action. Like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to Google Trends Hub for your daily dose of trending news, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which story caught your eye the most. Follow us on all our social platforms for more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.